When we recruit people, we're looking for the type of individuals that have a passion for excellence. We're looking for those that are going to make our customers successful, and that makes for a great team atmosphere here at Netstandard.
I think one of Netstandard's assets are its people, so it's been a great opportunity to get to know everybody, and I think really uncovering what everybody does every day and figuring out how to make that more efficient and more profitable is really an important part of what I do.
I would say the best thing about working with Netstandard is the ability to get out with your clients, meet them face to face, build those relationships, understand their business, and understand the impact of the tickets that come in. We get so caught up in tickets and just you look at it and it's just a number, but at Netstandard, since you have that relationship and you know those people, it makes it a little bit more personal.
I think what's important for employees is to give them an opportunity to be successful in their careers, which means understanding their careers and understanding where they want to be with their careers and putting them on a path for success and giving them the tools that they need to succeed. But I also think it's important to create a culture where people get to know each other and they get along and employees understand that we care about more than just them as a resource. We care about them as a person and making sure that those systems outside of their 9-to-5 work.
Netstandard shows that it cares about its employees in a variety of ways, really. We go out for birthdays, we go out for work anniversaries. There's always emails and shout outs about different accomplishments and the things that people are doing to help our customers. On top of that, there's the happy hour, the payday breakfast, and all these employee-funded things they do just to kind of make the workplace a little bit more fun, a little less mundane, and let them know that they care about the team.
We're looking for employees who is adaptable and flexible because we are a fast-paced environment. And the benefit of working at Netstandard is flexibility. Other benefits besides our medical plan, our 401k, our life insurance plan, would be that we're a family-oriented company. You get to come to work with some of your favorite people, and how much more fun can that be?
Someone should look at Netstandard as a career choice. If you want to be someplace long-term and have a real impact on people, this is the place to be for that.